Where at?
Right here.
Right over your shoulder.
You know what the graffiti is? The spray paint?
I'm right behind you.
Alright.
Yep, I see him.
You see, I'm going right to the
Alright, go. Where? Hey, come here. See this zombie right here? See the pink spot? Yeah. Okay, go to actually shoot where he's spray painting into, okay? Yeah. Okay, there's a guy over there. Cover me. I'm right behind you.
Alright, left side right here, just open where we just at.
Got it.
In front of us right here, duck down. That lower side.
Oh, hey, behind you, behind us.
Left side. 3 moving on the left side that way. I'm right behind you.
Okay, got it.
Up top. Watch out.
Yeah.
I see him. You see him?
Yeah, I saw him.
Right there.
Behind you.
Alright.
One behind.
I wanted to the tire.
Oh my God!
What's alright?
I got another dude on me. I got barrel for cover, but he's down low.
Down low, yeah. I see him.
Yeah. Oh, hit. Good job, man. Good job. Oh, you get hit good? Yeah. Right behind you.
Hit it. He's still in the same spot over there.
Yeah. Hey. 2 guys right around this corner. They're right in front of us.
Right. March your right.
I'm watching right. I need help on left. Got 2 guys putting me down on left.
Hit it. These buildings. They're in a week in these buildings. Hey, you got one.